maintained. People have been told to stay away from beauty spots and beaches over fears the easing of lockdown rules could lead to rural communities being overwhelmed. Tourism organisations in Cumbria and Cornwall have expressed concerns. Cumbria Police's Assistant Chief Constable Andy Slattery said they still want people to stay away.
Cumbria has some of the highest infection rates in the country and disproportionately high death rates, so we're not over this. This is very much a live problem in Cumbria where people are dying in hospitals and care homes today, and we want people to stay away until the time is right to come as tourists and visit the Lake District when it will be open for everybody.
President Trump has defended safety measures at the White House after a member of staff there tested positive for coronavirus. Latest figures put the number of deaths from the virus in the United States at testing procedures.
I don't think the system broke down at all. And one person tested. Are going to, for a period of time, self-isolate, so that's not breaking down. It can happen. Remember that.
No evita mantener alerta a los expertos de estas zonas y casi empuja a los presidentes.
Todo el contenido se ha discutido con los diferentes puntos autónomas.
Simón ha indicado que la decisión final la toma. Serán públicos en algún momento, aunque sin avanzar fecha. Repasamos otros temas de forma breve.
Los juzgados comienzan la desescalada.
El 30 o 40% de los funcionarios.
Federația Cehă de Tenis anunță organizarea unui turneu.
The wearing of face masks has formed a lot of our conversation. I'm going to come back to that in just a second. And it's International Nurses Day. All of that you can comment on this morning, and anything else that's on your mind besides. The lines are open. So with regards to face coverings, this is so important. I've been through this before, but for others who've not, who've only just joined the programme, the government is talking about face coverings as opposed to face masks. And I'll come back to the difference in a second. But face coverings are now not compulsory. However, if you can, people are being advised to wear face coverings in enclosed public spaces. The Mayor of London has gone slightly further and told Londoners that you should wear a face covering when using Transport for London services, so buses and tubes, for example. But around the rest of the country, with regards to face coverings, and this includes, at this point in time, England, Scotland and Northern Ireland, but at this point the devolved Welsh Government has not advised this yet. However, let me just clarify, face coverings, whilst not compulsory, you're being advised to wear one in an enclosed public space where social distancing is not possible, or you're more likely to come into...
No sé si es de nuevo cuño, o sea, si lo han fabricado nuevo ahora.
Lo tenían ya de antes, ¿no?
O ya lo tenían, pero no lo usaban.
Ya, claro.
Como estos productos que se quieren meter en las marcas, que lo tienen ahí por si acaso, Bueno, cuidado.
Qué bien se aplica esto, ¿eh?
Se aplica bien, ¿no? Yo no lo noto porque como yo tengo las manos sudadas...
Uy, qué fresco.
Pero si tienes toda la información, mucho mejor. Eso lo...
Espacio en blanco, los domingos a las 2 de la madrugada.
Non falo con termino già il pareciglio che via qui è listo, se pensi che preserava fa listo, però non tengo un'idea, non comunico questo. Vale. Ya mi può arrivare a prova, non cambio. Vengo Croix, è fidele, ma vengo pure Andrea, è Olandora che. Sì, guarda, non può arrivare mañana, non cambio.
Kilometers or more. Cloud, ceiling broken at 1,800 feet. Temperature 5, dew point 1, QNH 1027. Repeating, Dublin, Metroport, Dublin, at 0200 Zulu, wind 300 degrees, 6 knots. Visibility 10 kilometers or more. Cloud scattered at 4,000 feet. Temperature 1, dew point -1.
Ante el COVID-19, para comenzar
I'm actually going to give you a script out of Bible that says that. So we're in a war, but we don't know where the headquarters is. We don't know what kind of uniforms they wear. We know some of them wear certain...
And the last time, the day of the Lord is at hand.
Probably well over a year or two ago. The whole...
El presidente de Colombia, Duque, dijo que Nicolás Maduro...
Thanks for having us on with us with our commentary viewpoint for today. And in terms of radio... And most of our listeners know Cuba has sent a large of the Henry Reed medical brigade to South Africa to COVID. Up next, we bring you an exclusive interview with Roberto Martinez.
We're sure to speak with Ambassador of Cuba in South Africa, Rodolfo Benítez. Thanks, Ambassador, for your time.
Intimidad de venezolanos que han cruzado.
مدعيا أنه جاء محررا فإذا به
の類なんですが、ものすごく小さいタヌキぐらいの大きさがあります。最初びっくりしましたが、よく懐いてくれて可愛いので、タミちゃん、タミちゃんと呼ぶと、こっちを向いて泣いてくれます。可愛いです。
皆さん、いろんな身近な発見を。
Today, well, as many of you know, in response to the request made by the government of South Africa, Cuba decided to support the global efforts to contain the spread of It is integrated by 2017 health professionals who include family physicians, epidemiologists, healthcare technology engineers, among all specialists. South Africa gave a really emotional and very warm welcome to the Cuban Brigade. A very large representation of